So you guys know I love my fried chicken, and it's my dream to try out KFC in every single country. Now, Burma has been under international sanctions for quite a while, until quite recently. So a lot of international companies haven't been able to expand into the Burmese market. But one company that did eventually make it is, of course, KFC. So even though Macca's hasn't made it yet, KFC is now in Burma. So I'm actually here today at the very first KFC in all of Burma. So this is literally where history was made. This is ground zero of fried chicken in Burma. So let's go check it out. Hello. Oh my god, they even have someone opening the door for me. Alright. Oh. So the menu doesn't look like there's too much variety. But oh, that mala chicken, that looks spicy as hell. So I might give that a go. I'm trying to see if there's any Burmese specific menu items. I would like to try something unique to Burma. Oh, there's a rice box. Hi, do you speak English? Hi, can I get the chicken? That one, the 2-piece? Yeah. Yeah, and can I get the rice box? Rice, yeah. Eat here. Alright, the KFC has arrived. So the first thing on the menu is mala chicken, which is a nominally spicy chicken. So it's going to be very spicy. Look how red it is. Let's see what piece of chicken I got. That looks like a wing. I'm not sure what this one is. It's huge. I think it's a thigh. I also got a rice box, which is basically what looks like popcorn chicken with curry over rice. Okay, very simple. So let's see how that tastes. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the really spicy looking chicken first. It is quite spicy. Oh my god, it's like I feel like my tongue's burning. So I'm gonna take my time with that. But it's quite good. Like the chicken's actually quite tender, and the spiciness is not, I guess, it wasn't as bad as I imagined. It's a little bit sweet too, so it's actually quite good. Gonna try the popcorn chicken with curry. I never thought I'd have popcorn chicken with rice before. So a bit of everything. Pretty good. So the curry is a little bit spicy, obviously not as spicy as that, but it's a little bit spicy. It's quite rich in flavor, and it goes quite well with the popcorn chicken, because the popcorn chicken is really crunchy and it gets covered in sauce. I never thought I'd say this, but I guess popcorn chicken works with rice. It's definitely very spicy. Much more spicy than your average wicker wings, which you don't have here. So if you're not very good at holding your spices, I don't recommend you get this. So I just finished my KFC. Overall, I'll probably give it about a 7 out of 10. The chicken was quite nice. It was just a little too spicy. I think a little bit less spicy would have been nice. With the curry chicken and curry popcorn chicken and rice, the flavor was very good, but there's just way too much rice. So I think it could have had less rice and a little bit more popcorn chicken. That would be perfect. So couldn't end up resisting. I'm at the long distance bus station, and all the food here looks kind of dodgy, and I didn't want to risk food poisoning before an overnight bus. So I came back to KFC. This time went for the original, got a zinger burger. It looks nice and crispy. Got a tart. Now it is very common in Asian KFCs, but we don't have this back in Australia. And a piece of original 11 secret herbs and spices chicken. Now they understood when I asked for a dai, so I did get a dai. Excellent. Alright, so I'm gonna try the zinger burger first. It's a nice big piece of zinger fillet in here. That's actually really good. I'm surprised. If it is crunchy, the bread's not too bad. It's actually very close to what we get in Australia. Alright, after a strong start, let's try the thigh. It's a lot crunchier than the average original recipe. I feel like the original recipe in Australia, they purposely make it not crunchy. Just so you guys know, they do have hot and spicy here, so there's original recipe and hot and spicy. But because I already have a zinger burger, I went for the original recipe instead. I think chicken has a bit of a strange spice in there. I'm not quite used to that spice, but overall it's still pretty good. I think Burmese KFC so far has definitely been better than Malaysia KFC. Let's try a tart lastly. It's not hard, is it? It's like melts away in your mouth. It's really good. I love Asian tarts. It's a shame that Australia KFC doesn't have it. I like that.